Good morning, friends. Hope all are well and taking care of your health. So today we will start our 6th chapter, The Fight in It So Happened. Okay? Ranji had come to Raipur recently. He had only yet made any friends over there. There he roamed in the hills and forest of Raipur all alone. One day, he discovered a pool in the forest. The water in the pool was clear. It came there from the cluster of rocks. What does cluster of rock means? Means many rocks together, and from that rocks the water is coming. In the monsoon, the water came in large quantity, but in summer, the flow was weak, yet it never dried up like the pools of Rajputana. That means in rainy season, the pool was full of water, but in summer season, the quantity of the water decreases because of the summer season. But it never dried up. उसमें कभी भी पानी खत्म नहीं होता था. They are comparing with the pools of Rajputana desert. Desert means lack of water only. Okay, so here we are getting the connection between the Rajputana desert and Ranchi. Maybe he belongs to Rajputana desert. Not maybe, he belongs to Rajputana desert. Ranchi belongs to Rajputana desert. We will come to know. Ranchi got in the water. He knew swimming. He had so far known only the muddy pools of Rajputana desert. But this pool was much better. Now it is clear that he belongs to Rajputana desert, means the area, and there the pools are full of mud. Muddy pools are there, but this desert is very much clean. The water is very clean. The pool is very clean. Why? Because it is in हिल्स एरिया और वहाँ पे मिट्टी विट्टी नहीं थी. वो पूल एकदम से अच्छा था. What happened the next day? The next day Ranchi came again. He enjoyed a lot in the coolness of the water. After an hour later he lay to relax on the smooth rock. It was then that he noticed a boy staring at him. He was a little older than Ranchi and held a well-built body. He stood on the edges of the pool. So what happened next day? He was just relaxing on the rock and he saw that a boy was standing over there. The boy is little older than Ranchi. But what happened? This boy is not talking to Ranchi. He is just staring. उसको वो केवल घूर के देख रहा था. The boy asked Ranchi why he is here. Ranchi wanted to be friendly, so he ignored the other boy hostile. So what happened? That boy asked the Ranchi that this pool belongs to me, why you are here? That means he want to fight with the other boy. But this Ranchi is very friendly boy, calm and cool. He just ignored this type of nature of that boy. He asked him to join him in swimming, but the other boy didn't like it. He came closer to the Ranchi, who was now sitting on the rock. He said that he is Punjabi and didn't like to talk to the villager. And then when the Ranchi ignored that boy, he just asked the boy to come and join in the swimming. कि हम लड़ क्यों रहे हैं, दोनों मिलके साथ में swimming करते हैं. But that boy get angry और उसने बोला कि I don't want to talk to villager like you because I am a Punjabi. उसके अनुसार villager बहुत low standard के थे. That's why. Okay, Ranchi said that he is Rajput, not a villager. The Punjabi tried his best to scare away Ranchi, but when Ranchi didn't run away, he warned that he would beat him. So now that Ranchi got somewhat angry, he said that I am not villager, I am Rajput. That means, because according to him, Rajput is a strong person. He said that I am Rajput. And then the boy said that I don't want to talk to you. He just want to scare Ranchi so that Ranchi should leave the place. he said that you must leave the place, otherwise I will beat you. That means the verbal fight between the two boys started, and they are fighting not with the hands and legs, they are fighting with the words. So what happened next? Now the fight between the two started. पहले तो बातों से fight हुई, but now actually the fight between the two with their legs and hands and everything started. The Punjabi boy made a strange hissing sound. They stared each other in the eyes for a minute. Then the Punjabi boy slapped Ranji across the face with all his strength. Ranji felt dizzy. Thick red finger marks are there on his face. Then Ranji pushed a hard bony fist into the other face. So now the fight between the Punjabi and the Rajputs started, and they are just fighting with each other. तो इतने में क्या किया? That Punjabi boy just slapped the Ranji, and what happened? All the fingers were marked on his face. जैसे आपकी मम्मी कभी मारती है ना तो 5 उंगलियां छप जाती है ना, like this way. And when Punjabi did this, Ranji was just very angry. वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था उसको वो क्या करे. उसने क्या किया? उसको जोर से एक मुक्का मारा, बोनी फिस्ट मारी उसके फेस पर. Okay, that means the actual fight between the two started. Then they went at each other's throat fighting. They rolled into the shallow of the pool. Even in the water they continue fighting. Yet after 5 minutes both of them stood exhausted. So what happened? They are just fighting. They are fighting in the water, in the shallow of the pool, और उसका गला पकड़ रहा, उसका ये पकड़ रहा है, and they all are just fighting. So what happened after 5 minutes? Both of them get exhausted. मतलब दोनों बहुत tired हो गए, थक गए थे लड़ते लड़ते. तो अब क्या वो continue करेंगे अपनी fight? Let us see. Sitting on the distance from each other, both of them spoke proudly of their states. Then the Punjabi boy had an inspiration. He proposed to continue fighting next day. Raji agreed. Then they left the forest by different route. What happened? They both get exhausted, tired, so they just sat on the रॉक्स और वो अपने स्टेट के बारे में बहुत ऊंची ऊंची बातें करने लगे कि माई स्टेट इज़ लाइक दिस, माई स्टेट इज़ लाइक दिस. एंड सडनली पंजाबी गॉट एन आइडिया एंड इंस्पिरेशन दैट टुडे वी बोथ आर टायर्ड, सो वी विल नॉट कंटिन्यू अवर फाइट. We will continue our fight the next day. We will come here again and fight with each other. So Raji agreed, and they both left the place. At home, Raji could not hide his injuries. His mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day. When he went to the house, उसकी माँ ने देख लिया, and he was at the house only. But in the evening, he was able to slip out to the bazaar. There he took some lemonade and jalebis. What happened in the evening? He just went to the market and had a fun, had things to eat. But when he had finished all this thing, he saw that Punjabi boy was coming from the road. और अब दोनों का फिर आमना सामना हो गया. They stared each other and they just left the place. Okay, the next day they have decided that next day we will come to the pool and had a fight. So next day वो दोनों pool पर आए. Ranchi reached the pool unwillingly next day. Why I'm saying that the Ranchi reached the pool unwillingly? Because he is a friendly boy. वो लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं चाहता था, तो वो लड़ना ही नहीं चाहता था. बट अगर वो लड़ता नहीं तो वो ऐसा हो जाता कि he is weak. Why? For this he came over there to have a fight, but उसका मन नहीं था. He was feeling weak and knew he could be beaten in another fight. Okay, yet how could he refuse the challenge? He knew that he will हार जाएगा, but लेकिन how he could refuse the challenge? So he came to the pool unwillingly. As long as he fought, he had a right to the pool. He saw the Punjabi boy on the rock, on the other side of the pool. So, actually, उनके बीच में क्या डिसाइड हुआ था कि the boy who wins the fight, the pool belongs to that boy only. जो fight जीतेगा वो pool उसका होगा. अब nobody wants to be step back. So both want to fight so that the pool belongs to that particular person. On seeing Ranji, he shouted a challenge. He asked Ranji come to his side. Okay, the Punjabi boy said that Ranji could not swim the length of that pool. Ranji dived straight into the water. He surfaced on the other side without a splash. The Punjabi boy's mouth hung open in amazement. So that boy was sitting over there on the rock, so he just challenged the Ranji. क्या challenge किया कि आप pool में एक dive नहीं मार सकते. But what did Ranji do? He just dived straight into the water और दूसरी तरफ से वो निकल के आ गया. When he did this, the Punjabi boy was mouth hung open. That means वो ऐसे मुंह खोल के देख रहा था and he was amazed कि ये कैसे हो गया, ये बॉय कैसे पानी में से इतने आ गया, यानी he is a good swimmer. The Punjabi boy exclaimed with surprise, how could he dive so well? He asked Ranji if he could teach him how to dive. Ranji explained him how to dive. So he was very amazed कि उसने कैसे dive कर दिया. So he asked just Ranji that क्या तू मुझे सिखाएगा? I want to be a good swimmer and want to dive like you. Ranji said, okay, no problem, I will teach you. And he started teaching that boy. The Punjabi boy landed into the water flat on his belly. There was noise which sent the birds screaming from the tree. Ranji had laughed a lot. The Punjabi boy came out of the pool spouting water like a whale. So this Ranji explained the Punjabi boy how to dive in the water, and the Punjabi boy just dived into the water. उसको नहीं आता था, तो वो जब dive किया तो he just dive belly के side से किया. तो when he went into the water, a noise came out, और वो noise सुनने के से जितनी भी चिड़िया थी just scream and fly from the tree. सो ये देख के रांची को बहुत तेज हंसी आ गई और उस बॉय से ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू डाइव इट प्रॉपरली. रांची executed another fine dive to teach him. Then the Punjabi boy said that Ranji must teach him every day. Ranji agreed. Then Ranji again dived into the water and wanted to teach him. So they decided that every day Ranji should teach him how to dive to the Punjabi boy. That means you can say unwillingly they are becoming friends. They are not aware of that कि वो वहाँ पे fight करने आए थे and now they are talking very nicely with each other and they are becoming friends. So what happened next? How the friendship took place. The two told their names to each other. Yes, up to now we are aware of the name of Ranchi, but the other Punjabi boys, we don't know what is the name. And these two boys had never asked the name of each other, but now they are asking the name. That means the real friendship started. And then the name of that Punjabi boy is Suraj. Then Suraj asked Ranchi if he was not strong. Ranchi agreed and said that yes, you are a very strong person and you are a real Pahalwan. Okay. Suraj said that he could become the world's champion wrestler. Then looking at Ranchi, he said that Ranchi was strong too. So, and that boy Suraj want to become what? World's champion wrestler. और इसकी वजह से वो पूछा था मैं strong नहीं हूँ. And he just said that Ranchi, you are also strong. Means he was just saying. However, he said that he was Bonji. He invited him to have food with him. Suraj proposed a deal. If Raji taught him diving, he would make Raji a pahalwan too. Again Raji agreed. So what happened now? Suraj decided that Raji would teach him swimming, and this Suraj will make the Raji a pahalwan. And again Raji agreed. That means Raji is agree in every case. That means he is a calm boy और लड़ाई झगड़ा तो चाहता नहीं था, और जैसे जैसे सूरज बोला था वो हर चीज़ में एग्री करके जा रहा था. And now they say that it is our pool, said Suraj. Nobody else can come here. This is the transformation. Okay, जब सूरज पहले आया था तो he said this is my pool and nobody is allowed to swim in this pool. But now he is saying that this is our pool. Our means the Suraj and the Ranchi's pool, and nobody else can come here. Now we can say that at this point of time both becomes a good friend. And they are saying that nobody else can come here without their permission. Ranchi said that nobody could dare to come there now because they were friends. They agree that now they have become friends. Okay, student, I hope you understand this chapter. It is a good example of friendship. You should become a friend of each and every person. Don't fight with each other. Everything is dissolved with talking. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो बात करने से सुधर नहीं सकता है. Everything should be is dissolved with talking. अगर हम आगे से जाके हम किसी से बात करते हैं तो सारे लड़ाई झगड़े ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.